Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur and you're watching our special show ETF Watch Crypto Edition. As you see, the last few weeks have been a cause of concern for the entire crypto market due to the tariffs imposed on Canada, Mexico and China by US President Donald Trump. The inbound tariffs will effectively strengthen the US dollar, which in turn could put more downward pressure on crypto prices. और ऐसा हुआ भी है. Recently, बिटकॉइन का प्राइस $78,000 तक डिक्लाइन हुआ, लेकिन फिर जैसे ही प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप ने मेक्सिको और कनाडा के ऑटो टैरिफ्स को एक महीने का एग्जेम्पशन दिया, बिटकॉइन ने $92,000 तक का मार्क टच किया. लेकिन फिर भी क्रिप्टो मार्केट डाउनटर्न के चलते स्पॉट बिटकॉइन ETFs में ओवर $3.2 बिलियन से ज्यादा के आउटफ्लोज हो गए हैं. अब ऐसे में एज एन इन्वेस्टर आपको क्या करना चाहिए? If you want to know which spot Bitcoin ETF is ideal to invest in, then keep watching this video till the end. Apart from that, we will also talk about Blackrock and Fidelity's ETF outperforming others, significant returns through Bitcoin ETFs and cryptocurrencies to watch out for potential ETF approval. But before we go ahead, do like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you keep receiving such important updates. Now, in the last 2 weeks, maximum outflows in the Bitcoin ETF space were led by Blackrock's IBIT with around $2,500 million in outflows, followed by Fidelity with around $1,500 million in outflows and Grayscale's GBTC with $800 million in outflows. So, if you look at the total inflows year to date, Blackrock's IBIT and Fidelity's FBTC topped the chart with $39 billion, $11 billion inflows respectively. So it is clear, maximum inflows और outflows BlackRock और Fidelity के spot Bitcoin ETFs में देखे गए हैं. But why? As an investor, one needs to understand that सबसे ज़्यादा assets under management BlackRock और Fidelity के spot Bitcoin ETFs hold करते हैं. BlackRock's IBIT holds over $50 billion assets under management and Fidelity holds around $18 billion assets under management. और क्योंकि ये दोनों ही asset managers सबसे ज़्यादा AUM hold करते हैं, इसीलिए इनमें outflows भी ज़्यादा होते हैं, which is fair enough. Now, that being the case, you need not worry about your investments because these are some of the world's largest asset managers and the total assets under management stand at over $102 billion. अब आप एक बार इन स्पॉट बिटकॉइन ETFs के रिटर्न्स देखिए. तो लास्ट 6 मंथ्स में सभी एसेट मैनेजर्स ने अप टू 45% तक का रिटर्न दिया है, which actually is a handsome return. And to shed more light on this, I am joined by Mr. Srinivas L, the MD and CEO of 9 Point Capital.
I think aligning with the broader market sentiments, the total outflow in Bitcoin ETFs on March 7th was about $409 million. This is expected, and the markets can go in any direction in the coming weeks, aligned to the broader markets. But from a returns perspective, I would like to kind of pinpoint to all Indian investors, especially who are sitting on the fence, to check the absolute returns that the Bitcoin ETFs have given. In the last 6 months, if you have a comparison, S&P 500 was, or you take S&P 500, Dow Jones or NASDAQ indexes, they were all in the range of about 5 to 5.5%, and our own Nifty giving about a -8% return due to the huge crash that we've experienced in the last month or so. Within Bitcoin, ETFs have stayed very positive at about 45% returns in the last 6 months. This is an indicator that this asset class is very strong. It's here to stay, and everyone sitting on the fence, while they do their research, I would say this is a very, very strong, important time to get an exposure through ETFs that 9 Point Capital also offers, and take a small position, let's say 1 or 2% of their portfolios. So this is going to be a great year for Bitcoin ETFs and other crypto ETFs as well.
In fact, recently BlackRock ने Bitcoin को अपने $150 billion के मॉडल पोर्टफोलियो में भी ऐड किया. And the good news is, institutional asset management global leader State Street ने predict किया है कि क्रिप्टो ETFs की बढ़ती डिमांड के चलते डिजिटल टोकन ETFs 2025 के एंड तक, यानी कि इस ईयर के एंड तक $15 ट्रिलियन ETF इंडस्ट्री में थर्ड लार्जेस्ट एसेट क्लास बन सकते हैं, बिहाइंड ओनली इक्विटीज एंड बॉन्ड्स। वेल, स्टेट स्ट्रीट ने यह भी प्रेडिक्ट किया है कि US SEC सोलाना, XRP और लाइटकॉइन ETFs भी अप्रूव कर सकती है। सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द लिस्ट ऑफ क्रिप्टो करेंसीज जिनके लिए ETF फाइल किए गए हैं। सोलाना ETF के लिए फाइल किया है एसेट मैनेजर ग्रेस्केल, बिटवाइज, वैनक, 21 शेयर्स और कैनरी कैपिटल ने। XRP ETF के लिए फाइल किया है बिटवाइज, वेस्टर्न फ्री, रेक्स शेयर्स, ग्रेस्केल, कैनरी कैपिटल एंड अगेन 21 शेयर्स ने। लाइटकॉइन ETF के लिए फाइल किया है ग्रेस्केल, कैनरी कैपिटल और रेक्स शेयर्स ने। कार्डानो ETF के लिए फाइल किया है एसेट मैनेजर ग्रेस्केल ने। कैनरी कैपिटल हैज रिसेंटली फाइल फॉर अ सुई ETF। एप्टोज ETF के लिए फाइल किया है एसेट मैनेजर बिटवाइज ने। Grayscale and 21 shares has a file for Polkadot ETF और यहाँ पे मीम कॉइन ETFs भी फाइल हुए हैं। तो डोज मीम कॉइन ETF के लिए फाइल किया है Grayscale, Bitwise और रेक्स शेयर्स ने। बॉन्क और ट्रम्प मीम कॉइन ETF के लिए फाइल किया है रेक्स शेयर्स ने। Now, meanwhile, the SEC deadline for approval of these ETFs is slated for mid-October. Hence, cryptocurrencies such as XRP, Solana, Doge, Bonk, Litecoin, Cardano, Sui, Aptos, Polkadot, and Trump are currently in the spotlight due to hopes of potential ETF approval. So, do keep an eye on these cryptocurrencies, as some of them, such as Solana, Cardano, and XRP, are also in the digital asset stockpile of US government. Well, that's all in today's episode of ETF Watch Crypto Edition. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code.